Hello friends, welcome to Capsavi CRM. Today we will learn how to use the function of projects, how to create projects, what is the use of the project function. If you see on your dashboard, there is a section called projects in progress. It shows 15 total projects and 12 in progress. That means 12 projects are in progress. Now what is the meaning of that? We will see that. If you see here also my projects, that means out of total 15 projects, these are my projects, where 9 projects, these are the 9 projects where I am working currently, and remaining projects some other team members are working. So that is how these projects are visible here. Now what is meaning of that? How do we track progress? How do we use this function? Let us move to projects. So if you see projects here, it shows 1 not started, 12 in progress, 1 on hold, 0 cancelled, and 1 finished. Put together, if you add 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are total 15 projects which we saw in the dashboard also. Now if you remember, on the dashboard there were total 12 in progress. Let us say whether 12 in progress here. So total 15, and 12 in progress means 1 not started, 1 on hold, and 1 finished. There are total 14 plus 1 finished. Total 15 projects are there. Out of 15, 1 is finished, 1 is on hold, and 1 is on not started. So remaining 12 projects are in progress, which is coming here, 12 projects. Now what is meaning of projects? We'll see that. So whenever there is a customer and that customer has got multiple items where we are servicing them, or multiple products that we are going to deliver to them, so each milestone will become a project, or each assignment will become a project. So let us say a client has come where we are providing digital marketing services as one project. Apart from digital marketing, we may be providing them, so let us say website development, or that is the second project, or let us say social media creation, pages creation, that becomes a third deliverable. So let us say first deliverable is digital marketing for JT and company. JT company and private limited is our customer, and we are doing digital marketing for them as a service provider. So that means this particular project has been created for JT company, which was to start at 7th of July and which was to over by 31st of July. So this is the total and in progress. The entire project is in progress, and it is a fixed rate progress. That means fixed rate will be given for this particular assignment. Now let us see what are there in that. So this is the project overview. It says 50% project is over, remaining 50% project is in progress. So it is a JTN company, fixed rate contract, total value was 20,000 rupees we were to collect. It is in progress, and the estimated number of hours is 100. So that now you can check whether 100 hours, we have how much number of hours that team has spent, so that you can compare whether we have underbilled or overbilled. And accordingly, if you see task, so there are multiple tasks which you can create within that particular assignment. So it says the one task is in progress and one task is completed. There were 2 tasks. If you want to add more tasks, you can add more tasks. Let us say review of options for digital marketing. Let us say you have assigned this particular task to a team member, that okay, you review what are options available for digital marketing related to JTN company digital marketing. And let us say you were to start that particular assignment on 25th and was to be over by 26th. Save. So another task is created. If you see, now the progress will come to 33%. If you see here, projects and digital marketing, now it will show progress as 33%, because there were 3 tasks, and out of 3, 1 is completed, 2 pending. If you see here, now it is showing 2 pending and 1 completed. So now it is progress is 33%. Similarly, now you have more tasks to be created. So you create new task, cost analysis. Let us say another task is cost analysis. Somebody is doing that on that particular also. So cost analysis, and that will be starting at, let us say, 29th, and due date is 30th, and save. So now another task is created. So now the progress will be 25%. Now it is showing 25% progress. This is how you can keep track on everything. Now these tasks, because we have assigned that particular those tasks to a particular person, that is Hemant Sharma itself. If you want to change to some other people, you can change to, or you can add more people also. So let us say Shruti or Roshni. Or this is not coming because we have not assigned this particular lead to Roshni or other person, only this. So you can create followers. So Shruti will follow up for this particular task. And now we see the timesheet, who is working on what. And milestone, what milestone that we have achieved. So this is the milestone: marketing plan prepare, review of options available, cost analysis, and this person was to do all those items. So in progress in also 25%. This is how it is showing as progress. If you want to add any file, you can add any file. This timesheet function is not for working so far, so we can eliminate that. It is available in the task itself, but not here. So if you are in the task and you want to add your timesheet, you can add from here. So if you add here timesheet, you say okay, I started this particular task on 26th and finished by on 26th itself, maybe around 6 a.m. and say save. That means 2 hours 63 minutes you have worked on this particular assignment or this particular task. So this tab is not working, otherwise everything is working fine. Only tab is not working. So now come to files. If you can add number of files also here, any type of files here, so that people can access to that file and review if they want to review and give comments. If you want to discuss on that particular project, you can have a discussion also. Thread will be available. More people will be, suppose 4 people are working on this particular project, they can coordinate, they can communicate with each other. Now this is the project progress, the graphical progress. So everything is visible here, which date it was to start, which day it was to finish, everything will be available, will be visible as per the requirement. So larger the project, larger the graph will become. So it gives a complete bird's eye view how my project is functioning. What is the project? Digital marketing is the project, and suppose the deadline was 15th of August. So everything will come to know what is the progress that we are doing, and everything you can click here and you can get to directly to that particular task. Suppose that particular digital marketing project has got some issues also, so you can raise ticket against that digital marketing project also, new ticket directly, and that ticket can be assigned to a particular person, and those tickets will be visible in your ticket section also, or the support function also. Similarly, if you want to raise any invoice against that digital marketing project, you can raise invoice also here itself. So this 3,000 rupees invoice that we have raised against digital marketing project, which is partially paid. Now if you want to raise more tickets, because the total project was 20,000 rupees, you can raise more invoice also. So invoice project, new task, more. Similarly, you can add note, you can add all activities, what is happening on this particular task, everything is visible here. So that is how each project has become a complete turnaround deliverable to the client, and you can review the progress of each task and the entire project itself on the dashboard, on the project dashboard. This is how the projects is going to be used. This is the overall summary of all the projects. Similarly, we saw digital marketing. Similarly, other projects are also there. If you want to see overall summary, that is visible on dashboard, that okay, out of total 15, how many projects are in progress. Further want to see your project, you can come here and see your projects also. If you want to get into individual project, you can click here and see individual projects also. What is progress? It is 0% progress, because there are no tasks, and because there is no task, nobody is working on anything, or it is finished. So 0% progress. If I say it is completed, now it will show as 50% progress. So now it is showing 50% progress, because one task we have completed. Hope this was useful. Let us make use of these projects for a complete bird's eye view on the progress, and so that you can raise invoice, you can check your expenses versus the revenue which you are getting on the project, how many number of hours you have worked versus how many number of hours we have committed, and accordingly make progress in your revenue. Thank you very much for your attention. Look forward to see you again for the next video.